Hello class, this is Vivekananda Prabodhari. Today we are going to see our second lesson, that is 1.2, a tip story. It is written by Ruskin Bond. Now before going to start, there are few instructions. Please open ebook PDF file in your mobile phone or computer if possible. While watching this video, it will be beneficial. Second, if you have any doubts, please send a message or picture of your problem on this WhatsApp number 8390935566 or mail us along with the subject on this mail ID helpvbr@gmail.com. And third, which is very important, please note down all vocabulary. Now before going to start, we will see some introduction about the writer. The name of writer is Ruskin Bond. Born on 1934, he is an Indian author of British descent. He lives with his adopted family in Line Road in Mussoorie, India. The Indian Council for Child Education has recognized his role in the growth of children's literature in India. So basically, Ruskin Bond has written literature specially for children. He got the Sahitya Academy Award in 1992 for Our Trees Still Grow in Dehran for his published work in English. He was awarded the Padma Shri in 1999 and promotion in 2014. Now, as we see, Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan are the very important awards in our India. And he was honored with this award. So you can see he is a very quality writer and quality person in literature, especially for children. Now we will start our lesson. The name of lesson is 1.2, the tip story. We are starting passage number 1. I was still a thief when I met Anil, and though only 15, I was an experienced and fairly successful hand. So basically, the narrator of the story is a thief. So the narrator is playing a role of thief, and from that perspective, this lesson is continued. When he met Anil, he was theft, and at the age of 15, he was experienced special qualities in robbery also. Anil was watching a wrestling match. When I approached him, I was about 25, tall, lean fellow, and he looked an easygoing, kind, and simple enough for my purpose. Now here his word is wrestling. Wrestling is a type of sports in which we have two men or two players fight for each other to beat someone. याला मराठीमध्ये आपण कुस्ती म्हणतो सोपे भाषेमध्ये. He was about 25, a tall, lean fellow, and he looked up easygoing and kind and simple enough for my purpose. The age of Anil is about 25, and for a robbery purpose, he was so easy for the thief. I hadn't had much luck of late and thought I might be able to. So before going to start the conversation, he had thought about Anil, and he gets some confidence about this man that I can rob this Anil quickly or simply. I don't have to take much efforts for the Anil. So he started conversation. First dialogue is, you started a bit of wrestler yourself, I said. A little flattery helps in making friends. Okay. Now here's flattery means a smile we use in conversation. You look a bit of wrestler yourself, he said. So do you, he replied, which put me off for a moment because at the time I was rather thin. So Anil replied that, so do you. You also look like a wrestler. So he started the conversation with Anil. Well, I said modestly, I do wrestle a bit. What's your name? Anil asked. Hari Singh, I lied. So robber lied. He told name that is Hari Singh. I took a new name every month. That kept me ahead of the police and my former employees. As I said, narrator is a thief. That is why he always used different names so that nobody can catch him, or police should not catch him, or they have to get trouble for the different names. That is why he always make new names. After this introduction, Anil talked about the well-oiled wrestlers who were grunting, lifting and throwing each other about. Now, grunting means it's a kind of sound that a wrestler makes. They started conversation and Anil talked about the wrestlers, how they fighting, how they make noises, how they lifting each other, how they throwing each other, etc. etc. I didn't have much to say. Anil walked away. I followed casually. Now the conversation did not last long. Anil started to walk away. I followed casually. Now that robber or that thief followed Anil. Hello again, he said. I gave him my most happening smile. I want to work for you, I said. Now, as Anil noticed that a thief, that person is following him, so Anil said hello again, and he appealed offer for him, or he requested some kind of offer. That is, I give him my most appealing smile. I want to work for you, he said. Passage number 3. Now what Anil said, but I can't pay you. He said, I don't have enough money to pay you. I thought that over for a minute. Perhaps I had misjudged my man. Now that they thought that if he can't pay me, then how much money should he have? So that question struck in that robber's mind. I asked, can you feed me? Now another question that they asked, can you feed me? Now Anil replied, can you cook? I can cook, I lied again. Now again that thief lied, I can cook. If you can cook, then maybe I can feed you, Anil replied. If you can cook, then maybe I can feed you. Passage number 4. He took me to his room over the Jamuna sweet shop and told me I could sleep on the balcony. Now they went where the Anil's house is there, to the Jamuna sweet shop. Which is nearby Jamuna sweet shop. I could sleep on the balcony, but the meal I cooked that night must have been terrible because Anil gave it to the stray dog. Now, as that thief is lied, and he cooked some meal, but that meal was so terrible. Terrible means मराठीमध्ये म्हणू शकतो आपण भयानक किंवा not suitable to eat. But I just hung around and smiling in my most appealing way, and he couldn't help laughing. So Anil knew that the person is not well at cooking, and because of his smile, Anil didn't reply as a smile. So that is why he couldn't help laughing. Later, he patted me on my head and said, never mind, he would teach me to cook. Now, as I say, Anil is a kind-hearted person. That is why he patted on his head, and he told that he could teach to me cook. He also taught me to write my name and said he would soon teach me to write whole sentences and to add numbers. Also, Anil added that he could teach me, that is a robber, to write some words and write some sentences as well as some numbers. I was grateful. I knew that once I could write an educated man, there would be no limit to what I could achieve. So this is thought, I could write like an educated man, there would be no limit to what I could achieve. Now this thinking in perspective of robbery. So if a thief can read, write and make sentences, then he could also rob some educated person as well. That is why. Now next passage. It was quite pleasant working for Anil. Pleasant means happy feeling, Anandi. I made the tea in the morning and then would take my time buying the day's supply. usually making a profit of about a rupee a day. I think he knew I made a little money this way, but he did not seem to mind. Now, that robber or narrator always makes or cuts some commission from the money it is given by Anil for day's shop. But Anil didn't mind for this small kind of rupees or money. Anil made money by fits and starts. He would borrow 1 week and lend the next. Borrow means to take on loan, that kind of किंवा कर्जाऊ घेणे किंवा उसने घेणे अर्थ. He kept worrying about his next check, but as soon as he arrived, he would go out and celebrate. It seems he wrote for magazines and queer way of making money. Now, basically Anil was a writer. He wrote for magazines and makes money. That is why this is given by fits and starts. So there is no regular income for Anil. If he work, he get money. Simple as that. Now next passage number 6. On evening, he came home with a small bundle of notes, saying he had just sold a book to a publisher. Now in one evening, he came up with the few money and he said to him that I have sold book to publisher. And that is why I earned this money. At night, I saw him tuck the money under the mattress. Tuck means to laid within किंवा आपण म्हणू शकतो सरकवणे ह्या अर्थानं. To push under something, that is tuck. I had been working for Anil for almost a month and apart from cheating on a shopping, had not done anything in my line of a work. Now, so many days also passed, but the main intention of that man to rob the Anil. But due to that kind of work and to building a relationship with Anil, he had not done any kind of robbery for that days. I had every opportunity for doing so. Even though he had good opportunities to steal money or steal something, but he did so. Anil had given me a key to door and I could come and go as I pleased. So also Anil have given the key to that man. That is why he can go and come at any time. He was the most trusting person I had ever met. Now according to that narrator or that thief, he was the most trusting person that he had ever met in his life. Next passage number 7. And that is why it was so difficult to rob him. It's easy to rob a greedy man because he can afford to be robbed. Now, greedy means लोभी आपण म्हणू शकतो मराठीमध्ये. Greedy means लोभी. But it's difficult to rob a careless man. Sometimes he doesn't even notice he been robbed. Now, according to this narrator or this thief, it is easy job to rob some greedy man because he can afford to be robbed. Greedy man always makes can say lot of money, or he do not spend lot of money on such things. He always saves money, and that is why it is easy to rob that kind of persons. But it is difficult to rob a careless man because careless man put money in everywhere. We can say he doesn't have any kind of a fixed pattern of fixing money or putting money in some areas. Sometimes he doesn't even notice he has been robbed, and that takes all the pleasure out of a work. Now, according to him, even I robbed a careless person, the man may or may not be you can say aware of his being robbed. So that took place all the pleasure from his work. Well, it's time I did some real work, I told myself. Now he decided to rob the Anil. That is some kind of real work of robbery. I am out of practice, and if I don't take the money, he'll only waste on his friends. After all, he doesn't even pay me. Now, as we see earlier, Anil has promised to feed that person, not to give the money or not to give salary for that person. That is why he thought that if I didn't practice of robbery, I wouldn't make any money. And Anil always spend their money on his friends. That is why he decided to rob the Anil. Now this is the end of part 1. We will see remaining part in part 2. Thank you.